Turn off the air conditioning here. I'm try to take this corner a little bit wider. This seems to help. Here, still in third. Nice car. Looks pretty nice. Really slow in the corners. Really slow in the corners. Doesn't have a lot of horsepower to get out of the corner, so he's slowing me down quite a bit. Pass by there. We're going to make some ground on this. I don't know what this is up here. Looks like a BRZ. It definitely works better on that corner. I tried to catch it so close to turn in. Just kind of let the car fade away around that apex. We're in fourth gear here, kid. This is like braking zone. Corvette, so you can get out of the corners a little bit faster. that are in this class that come along here. But camera's pointing down again, so obviously that didn't work too well. So, not sure if you got much video, maybe a little audio. One of these events, I'll figure out what's going on with this camera. Seem to find a good position there. Maybe I just have to leave it there. How that looks on film. Yeah, we're in our final lap here, or they call this a cool down lap. Just kind of take it easy, let your brakes cool off, let your engine cool off a little bit. Been running fine, especially the transmission fluid definitely runs a lot cooler in this car than in the Grand Sport, which I like. I actually love that. I thought the Grand Sport transmission fluid was got quite hot and kind of worried me about longevity of that, but the C8 transmission runs probably 40 degrees cooler, which that's a lot, really. So making me feel good about that. All in all, car's done very well yet today, so very happy. We're going to turn on the air here, put it in auto. See how we're doing on gas here. Not bad. Got a half a tank left. We're stopping anyways, I think, for our lunch break, so this thing a break, and then we'll head off, get some gas.